Okay, today, so I got a mystery bag from Mercari.
Someone at school can track it down.
One of my YouTubers, one of the people that follows me on YouTube, told me instead of going to Etsy to go to Mercari, so I got me. It was $5 for a mystery. Oh, bag. Oh, it comes with a card. Hi Christine, thank you for your purchase. I hope you enjoy our products. The products we feel to make offers and bundles on my items. Thanks again. Happy shopping and happy spring to you.
Maybe you should talk to Headmaster Marsh.
Now, so I didn't read it when I bought it. After it got shipped, I read it. It says mini sizes, not full sizes. Let's see what it is. It comes in this bag. It says Sephora favorites. Hello, beauty icon set. And this was only $5. And I also didn't read that it was only 3 items. So let's see what we got in this today. Ooh, we got a, what is it? Smoky Eye Mascara. Bobbi Brown. And that's what the wand looks like.
Believe me, this one was put on their college applications.
Look, we're not talking Columbine here, just
Let's see. We got this little sample, I guess, size. A Smash Box Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. And that's all in this. Get one more item in this bag, and then that's it. It's only 3 items. This is the Wet n Wild Color Con Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. So it's not even a lip gloss or anything. This one. The color is Aqua Prism.
You can't quit.
This the one looks like. It's kind of like green or sparkle. Oh yeah, it is dark green. So, in this mystery bag from Mercari, I think I'm saying that right, you got the Wet n Wild Color Con Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. You got the Smash Box Photo Finish Vitamin Glow. And then we got this Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. And it's just black. Well, yeah, that's it for this video. I am planning on making more videos. Maybe the next video I'll do, I'll actually be putting on makeup. I don't really know if I'm going to talk during it. But I'll see what happens. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You don't have to hit the notification button if you don't want to. Just subscribe to the channel. Become a part of this family. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next videos. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and blessed be.